Well, it looks like that red onion, 5 cloves of garlic, apple cider vinegar, and ginger root as the rinse is working pretty well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to share with you yet another recipe that you might like, but this one takes time to actually prepare. What I have here is about 1 cup of rice. Just about any rice will do. And what you want to do is put this in water. You want to have it maybe 3 inches above or more above the rice. And all of these vitamins and minerals that are really good for your hair are going to come out in the water. Now I have some water that I've been fermenting for about a month, because that's what you need to do. And then from here, I'm going to take you into my kitchen, and I am going to show you what to do from here. So come on, see you in a minute. Well, here we are in my kitchen looking at one of my big pans here, and over here I have my 2 jars of very pungent rice water, and right here I have the skins and rind of an Asian grapefruit. I think it's called polemo, I'm not sure, but what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead. We're going to pour our rice water into the pan like so. You can see it's kind of bubbly too. We're going to turn on the heat. And you want it, you can put it on like a medium-low heat. And let that heat up to a boil. Let's add a couple of these skins from the grapefruit. Get it started, and we'll be back when she starts boiling. Also, in the meantime, if you want to, you can squeeze some of the grape juice into the water over here, and you can enjoy eating some of the grapefruit. Okay, now I just strained the rice water. You may want to let that sit for a minute. And this is what it looks like when it's done being heated up for about an hour on a low boil. And then you put it in jars. You let it sit for about another 2 to 4 weeks, and it'll be ready to use. Alright, and there it is in the jar, and it's going to ferment about another 2 to 4 weeks, and then I'll be back to use this rice water. Also, if you have found this video or any of my videos valuable, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thanks, guys.